Hello Cancer, this is for your quick reading oracle. So if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. At katagpo mo to, possible para sa itong message na to. Your oracle card here is right now 25, Metamorphosis. Yes, totoo, change is inevitable. Continuous and change ng life natin. However, this card is also advising you, hindi lahat ng bagay sa life mo kailangan mo i-change. Hindi mo kailangan mag-adapt sa ibang mga tao if that adaption na gagawin mo will sacrifice your inner peace. There's what we call as a point of compromise. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung gagalaw. It takes, sabi nga ng kasabihan, it takes two to tango. Hindi pwedeng isa lang lagi. It's a give and take situation. Learn how to stand your ground. So I hope nakatulong sa'yo yung reading. These are for guidance purposes. And I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.